Hello guys, this is a mirror fairing. Volvo calls them vanes. Therefore, supposedly Volvo says less drag, less noise, and make them look a little better. But we know that they fall off. They make a bunch of noise, and just want to share what I do to prevent that from happening. We have this brand new unit. We had to pick it up out of state, and the passenger mirror fairing flew off coming down here, coming down to the we have tried zip tying them, and then I also took them apart, zip tied, drilled a few more holes in the ribs going inside, and zip tied them to the mirror themselves. But they still get beat up, make noise. Then we tried zip ties and filling it up with polyurethane rubber, which worked, which is a lot better. But we took them apart to do that. So my latest fix for that is, in order to keep them looking good and make them stay on the truck, is using this polyurethane, either that brand or the Sikaflex. Take their tube, cut it just enough to stick in that hole which I drilled, and then after I fill them up pretty solid and to stay on there, and then I fill up the hole with that black polyurethane, and you can barely see that there's a hole which I drilled out with a drill bit. I choose to drill my holes right in this area and then right here, and you don't want to go further out because you see that rubber little cushion thing, it will keep it from going out into all the way there. Just keep all the polyurethane here, so use less and get more out of it. That's for the bottom piece. For the top one, drill a hole right about here, right over the, and about here. I drill them, I fill them, so normally it's about a tube per top, tube for a top, tube for the bottom, and that way they stay on there. You could put zip ties on there if you're gonna take off driving. If you just put them on, you take off driving, to keep them in place, but you don't really need them after the polyurethane is in there. This is a unit that I did yesterday. It's on there, and this is what it looks like when it's done. You barely, it's black, you can see them, but they're not horrible. But I did this from the back, from the bottom, but I recommend doing it from the top because it's closer to the mirror frame. And the reason why I recommend, well, I think this is my opinion, is a good idea to do it this way. That way you don't take them apart, you just fill them up. It lasts about half a tube per hole. You fill them up, and it stays on there solid. You don't need zip ties. If you want to, you can put them on, but this way they look a lot cleaner and they're on there for good. Just wanted to share that with you. Hope this helps someone. Sorry for a little crappy video, but hoping to improve. But I can't see the top ones. Barely see the holes on the top one too. Now it's on there and solid. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.